So this video is for all the things which should be known for the people who are programming well in this R programming, or the people who want to learn the R language. So they should see this tutorial, because this tutorial is something which is includes the basic things about the R and its different usages. So how should we start with the R programming? See, the R programming is something like we should first of all we should know that how should we install this R programming, or the application on which the R language has to be run. And the second point to start with, we already know that we should know it's all the data types, and what are the different features which are present in the R programming. So third thing, after knowing the data type, we will come to know about its components, and you can say components and functions. So I think these are the three things. And fourth is, sorry, apologies, fourth is for the you can say practice yourself something. So starting with the R installation. First, R is a programming language which is distributed on on all operating systems. So if you will go and search for the download programs, R download on Google, it will come for Mac, for Windows, for Ubuntu. So if you will go for Windows, you can see the several links here. Like there is a this particular link. If you will go in this, that is CRAN R project. If you'll go in this, then you will find that the R will be available for Windows, means by default. But if you want to install any other version for R, you can find it here also. Here it is giving as R for Windows. So this is something like this will be a basic setup, basic screenshot for implementing of the R. This is the CRAN Studio. But if you want to have a specific R Studio, then R Studio comes for this is a proper, you can say, proper application in which you can run the R programming, or also you can use the Anaconda tool to run the R programming. So I have already installed this R Studio in my system. So let me open this URL, and then I will show you that how R Studio looks. So this will be the home page for the R Studio, and here is the download part where you will go and have this one. See, R Studio server is free, and other R Studio servers are some. R Studio Desktop and R Studio Server are free. Other than Desktop and Server Pro are having some licensing cost. So if you want to work on this R, then it's better to install R Studio Desktop. So don't worry, when you will install, you will get other instructions also, that if any other application is needed to additionally downloaded or not. So the R Studio I have already installed, so I am opening this R Studio. So when you will open this R Studio, this is a 32-bit environment. So this is how the R Studio looks like: file, edit, view, different packages like CRAN mirror, Windows, and here also the icon, the new, open, copy, paste, and everything. So what here is that in the R, this is the R console, the white thing in which something like licensing sort of things are written. So this is what is called as R console, and here only we have to type the our programming. So before Actually, coming into coding, first let us know what are the different data types. In this video, we will cover about the introduction to R and its data types. So, the different data types which are present in R are, please have a look on this. First is vectors, then we have lists like we have in Java, right? Sorry, Java. We have third is our matrices, fourth is arrays, then we have factors, we have data frames. Data frames. Other than this, we also have logical data type, then we have numeric data type, then we have integer data type, then we have complex, and then we have character data type. So we know about the logical operators. If you don't know, then I will give you some example, like it's true and false logic, true or false, or we can say 0/1. Numeric, we all know it's 1 to 0 to 9 numbers. Integer, the decimal values and everything will be covered in this. Complex, we R has a functionality of having the complex data type. Like in mathematics, we know that I is a small I is something like complex, represents as complex number. So this is some sort of a data type which is also it is holding. For characters, we ought to know all the alphanumeric values is for the characters. Now coming to the vectors, list, matrices, arrays, factors, and data frames. If you will see these vectors, list, and matrices, arrays, and these are factors. Sorry. So these four are something like which has been derived from Java, or you can say other languages, and these two are the new things which have been added into the R programming. We will come to this one by one in a different section. So sorry. So if you will go to view, there are others also like status bar. If you will see, there is a status bar coming here. If you will see down, and again, if you will go to file, Windows, R console cascade. So these sort of things are happening